I'm at 3628 East 61st Street. We're in the Slavic Village neighborhood of Cleveland, Ohio. Got a nice updated home here. It's a little oasis. Wait till you see the backyard. It's got some nice plantings. Very nice. Got vinyl siding, concrete steps. Come into the living room. Got vinyl windows, window shades. So this is a possible third bedroom. It is being used right now for decluttering, but that is a nice size room there. Kitchen, got the vinyl flooring, big kitchen. So this is actually set up, as you can see back here, for washer and dryer. If you wanted to set that up in your kitchen. Again, we got vinyl windows, lots of space here. We got the big kitchen island here. Lots of cabinet space. Got our bathroom, nicely updated. Got bedroom. Again, it's got newer carpet, newer paint, vinyl window. We will be coming back to this room, but we've got, this is a closet. Storage area, and we'll be going down to the basement that way. Really big bedroom here. This is like a awesome sized bedroom. Just give you perspective of how big this bedroom is. And we've got what could be a tandem bedroom, or is currently being used as an office by the owner. Very comfortable space. And we got a nice big walk-in closet here. And we'll head down to the basement. Got a hatch, old school. And steep steps. So I'm going to take my time. So brick floor, brick walls. This is an old cistern that grew up into a basement. We got a newer Rude furnace, direct vent, high efficiency. So that's a really good brand there. Hot water tank. And from the electrical, you see, the only thing I see is, modern wiring, Romex. Got some plumbing upgrades. Copper line coming in. They're running a dehumidifier, which I recommend in every basement. And we're going to take a walk out to the yard. Got a little screen porch. He's got some things up here for privacy. But you can already see how cool it is back there. Completely fenced in. I just think this is just really you come back here and you're like, your heart rate drops very quickly. It's just a really comforting place. And so it's all gated. So it's got a secure yard. And let's see if I get an idea what this roof is like. It's not new, but it's laying flat. Looks pretty good. Chimneys look good. Like I said, not a huge yard, but it's it's a big city yard for sure. But it's the way it's laid out and everything be something really easy to take care of and enjoy. That's all I got.